guys, my friends and loved ones. How are you? Well, this is the amazing M&G girl, and as you see, I am going up this hill called Goblin Hill. Going to cut some flowers for my villa, right guys? So up this hill you have a lot of villas up here as well. Goblin Hill. I should take the monument and I'm coming down back. I take the sign that have all the different villas and the names of them. So guys, watch me going up the hill. You notice I'm always climbing hill. I wonder why. Oh my god. I want to thank all my returning supporters, subscribers very much for coming on to my channel. Thank you for the continuous support and love, guys. And please remember, guys, as you come on my video, please like up the videos as well, guys. And thanks for your comment. Continue to pour out your comment, guys. I surely will respond, but sometimes, as I say, because of work, give me a second, guys. Because of work, sometimes, guys, I don't have the time to shoot the videos as I want, but I soon get some time. Don't worry. I know you're anxious, you know. I know to see my son, my grandson, and my daughter. We're planning something big for you guys. Yes, guys. I'm up the hill, Goblin Hill. Look, guys. I have a lot of villas. I don't know how far I'm going to go to cut to see if I get any flowers. But I am trying. You know, when guests coming in the house or the boss is coming in, you have to fix up for them. They are guests as well. So I'm going away up the hill. Morning, how you doing? Are you a pretty dog there? What name? Oh, for the compound. What name? Hi boy. Alright, me I cut some bush from my villa. My boss coming in. Alright, later. Huh? No, I work at Deja View, Mr. Scott. Alright. Who is Lydia? Who is Lydia? Oh, she work down there, so I know she live at Boston. It's my neighbor. Yeah, no, I work down further. Yeah. Alright, when I'm passing back. Yeah. I need you to do something for me though. I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel. My YouTube channel. Well, it's about like, I do mostly vlogging, cooking with my son, my daughter, and grandson. So sometimes I go by the beach and mostly history things. So when I'm passing back, I'll give you the name. Thank you very much. Alright. Yes, guys, sorry about that. Yes, guys, please come along with me. I love to show you the surrounding area. And this is the surrounding area where I work. But it's not down Blue Hole, it's up Goblin Hill. And see here, this is a clipper that I have to clip my flowers or my bush. I love you so much, guys, and I really and truly appreciate you all, guys. Sometimes I feel sad to know that sometimes you guys are having live chat and I can't get to go on it. So It's not because I willfully doing it. But guys, please understand my situation. I soon get some time, man. Soon get some time. And give you some nice videos. Yes, guys. Even mama bun and cheese. Me still have it, you know. Me not get for gear yet. But you soon see me go down there and gear. But next week one day. But Monday. No, not Monday. But Tuesday, Wednesday, I will go visit mama. Yes, guy. But I talk to her still, you know. I talk to her on the phone. Every other day I talk to her. Even yesterday I call mama. And I say, Mama, what happened? Because you know we're building up a toilet for her. So I call the worker man because he said that him coming up there Saturday. So he tell me to buy some nail. So me buy them already. But me not remember the type of nail that me buy. So I said to Mama, Mama, where they now? Here, Mama, no? Mama, in gone sport. So I say, Mama, you don't easy gone sport. I say, where you gone? In my one in grandson. No, one grandson and great grand. Yeah, so they went to Port Antonio yesterday. So the workman supposed to be at the house today, Saturday, with the continuation of the bathroom. Well, want if you done, you see, man. Yes, guys, so that is our project for Mama. Mama says she gone sport. Yes, guys. Rain coming down, you know. And when we go and shelter now, this is a big problem for me. And distress, Lord of mercy. Rain, guys. Oh my God, let the rain now come down heavily. I'm still going, guys. I love you so much. And all the best to your families, friends, and loved ones. Love you, guys. Rain, obviously. Yeah, are you seeing the rain, guys? Yeah. Up, guys, up the hill, up the hill, up the hill. I called Grizzly Boss this morning. No, yes, this morning I give him a shout out. And he said, what happened, big sis? So he said he has some whole heap of pop chow and callaloo and pepper to give me. But me can't go for it now because me there work. So he said I'll call my daughter and give them to her to give me. Yeah, man, some whole me ask me have done dashing. He said dashing then already yet. We want some of them goodies if it's true. Yeah, he's doing a very good job because you can't go wrong with farming. Can never. And I don't think you can lose out of farming unless they rob you. Because sometimes you plant a root of plantain or a root of banana, it grows sucker, so you can dig out that sucker and replant. So I don't think you can lose out of farming. There's nothing wrong with doing farming. I do farming as well. I soon show you my garden, you know. I love you so much, everyone. All right. Look, guys, I'm going to stop a little. I'm going to show you some of the monuments here. This is one of the signs, guys, directing you to Goblin Hill. So you can't lose. As soon as you come on this stretch, you will see the signs where you want to go. Yes, guys. This nature is up here. You see how the trees are pretty? Yeah, so I'm going to cut some of these now to put into my guest house. See it here, guys? Up here always green and luscious. Always. And you know, we can't cut, no trees not supposed to cut around here because it's a, what do call it, heritage site. So you can't cut any trees. You can clip, if like me now want a leaf, I can cut, but not to cut down the trees. Yes, guys. I love to show you around, you know. This is a garbage bin. So if you are walking and you have any garbage, you drop it in there. You don't litter the road. Alright guys, this is the next sign. This is the next sign, guys. Direction. So if you have booked any of these villas, there are signs that guide you along the pathway. This is the next sign, guys. I'm showing you around, you know. Let's have a look at what is going on in and around the area. Well, this is the next sign. So all of these are guest houses, villas. So whenever you're coming, you can book wherever you want to stay. Right, guys? Alright, very beautiful. I wonder if I can cut some of these flowers. This is the next Goblin Hill sign. So to that side, so I'm going around there now. See these lovely, what do you call it, banana flowers. Don't know if you can see it. Let me go a little closer, as you can have a look at it. I got this side. Have a look at it. See it here, guys. This is the banana flowers. Very beautiful. Most of us that work at guest houses, we always come up to this side and cut flowers. We are allowed to. Very pretty. Look, guys. Wow, what a beauty. And these now, we can cut as we like. I am going to cut some of these now to put into my vase at home. Thank you for watching, guys. Thanks so much for watching. These are some coconut trees that they plant along the side there. So you know they provide a lot of things for you guys here, entertainment and things like that. Mostly on a Saturday they have entertainment for the guests that are there. So whenever you're ready, you're free to book. Yes, guys, just showing you around here, guys. Alright, this is the entrance to Goblin Hill now. I'm not going inside because I'm not going just coming to cut flowers, but I'm just showing you around. This is it, guys. This is the entrance to Goblin Hill. See it there, guys. This is the entrance to Goblin Hill, and this is the Goblin Hill Villas. Love you all, guys. Those pretty roses over there, we call them shoe black, but you know it can be eaten. I didn't know it can be eaten. The other day I have some guests come and I pick it, put it in my hair, and they say, oh, Faith, you know it can be eaten. So I said no. They say yes, it can be eaten. So I don't try it yet. I'm going to try it one day soon. Shoe black, we call it. Sometimes we can use it. We used to use it and clean our black shoes. Like we use the red part, rub it on the shoes, and then it get black. And then when it dry now, we just shine it off with a piece of cloth. Yes, guys. So I'm going down back now, guys, to cut my flowers. Just going back now, guys, to cut my flowers. So please come on and enjoy yourself. If you wish to come to Jamaica, please make yourself acquainted with all these places that I'm showing you, that you can book out and enjoy yourself, and we can see each other whenever you are visiting. So thanks and love to you guys.